Hello traders, welcome to this weekly forecast with Quality FX Trading for the week starting September 19th. In this short video, I will identify the potential opportunities and alternative scenarios, so don't miss and watch till the end as I'm going to reveal and highlight special levels for you to see, and based on the reaction you can trade. Please don't forget to leave us comment as I would like to know your feedback about this weekly forecast. So let's jump to the chart and start. Okay, let's start with crude oil. For the crude oil in this week, I'm still bearish. This is the right side chart is the weekly chart, and on the left you can see daily chart. First look at the weekly chart on the right side. Here, these two orange lines are showing the range of the weekly price action we are inside now. So this weekly fair value gap, which is the next fair value gap, this is our ultimate target. And if we are going to break above 97.72, then in that case, if we close above that, our weekly bias is going to change. But until then, let's look at the daily chart on the left side. On the daily chart here, I want the price to go above this high to take the liquidity and reaching to this order block at 92.27, and then we can look for the sell setup to the downside. So for this week on crude oil we are still bearish, but if this price action is going to break the low in the beginning of the week, then we may see some bullish price action for the rest of the week, which is the low chance scenario for us. And pound dollar. For the pound dollar, I want to highlight two different levels in the weekly chart for you. Here, you can see 1.13500, which was last week's low, and 1.17600, which is the weekly fair value gap above, which was untapped last week, and we may reach to this level by this week. So on the daily chart, the two possibilities we may have, we have to see the price action in the beginning of the week. If it is going to break the last week low in the beginning of the week, then we will be bullish, and our target profit for this week is going to be minimum 1.17600, as the price action is coming above and it will reach to this daily order block and this weekly fair value gap. However, you should consider the second possibility. If the price is going to correct to the upside and reach to this fair value gap, or this daily fair value gap, which is still a point of interest at 1.15, then we want the price to go and break the last week's low as the target. And lastly, USA500 S&P. I can see S&P can play in this weekly range between 4172 to 3641 in the next coming weeks. Of course, here breaking above 4172 will make us totally bullish, which we don't see it as a forecast, and our forecast is going to be to the downside to 641. So our target profit for either this week or next week, the price on the weekly chart can reach to this 3641. So I'm emphasizing this level as a target for the next 2 weeks, which is the liquidity below this level. And on the daily chart, for those traders who want to open a new sell, the best scenario would be to wait to see the price going above 3980. I'm emphasizing on these levels for you, as you have to watch these levels if you want to trade correctly, and you have to take the reaction. So this 3980 is the daily fair value gap above. So we want to see correction to the upside going above 3980 as a fair value gap here, and then price should push to the downside to reach to our target in the next 2 weeks. It can happen by this week or maximum by next week. Please don't forget to give us thumbs up and leave us your comments if you are interested in our weekly forecast, so I will be motivated to bring you this weekly forecast every week. Thank you for watching us, and I wish you good luck in this week's trading.